Greetings. It's Joanna Conde with AI for Seniors. And today I'm going to be talking about number 3 of the 10 incredible ways that chat can help you make your life easier. And today's subject is planning. And we're going to talk about how you can plan trips, including the itineraries, how you can plan events like birthday parties, how you can create checklists for home projects, and how you can get organized. So I'm going to chat and show you how you can do every one of those things. Let's say I'd like to go to Fort Collins by way of Albuquerque, and I'd like to spend some time in Albuquerque. So I'm going to hit the microphone and say to chat, I'd like to go from Phoenix to Albuquerque to Fort Collins. Can you tell me what routes I should take and how long it would take, and what exit I should get off at in Albuquerque so that I could have an easy on to my trip the next morning? I'm going to hit my check mark. Now I'm going to hit the up button. Is there anything I'd like to change? Okay, and now it gives me directions. Okay, you want to stay easy on. Okay. And I have all of these that I can look up later. Next question. I'd like to spend about a day in Albuquerque. Can you tell me interesting things for me to see while I am there? And maybe interesting places for that, where I can eat? Up. Now I can say, so let's go down a little bit. Look at all of the many places to eat. Gives me a whole itinerary of things I could do, and it could even do it as a timed itinerary. Okay. Now I'd like to proceed on to Fort Collins, and I need to go to a place called the Group. Can you give me directions from Albuquerque to the Group? And actually, that is the place I'm referring to. Are there any scenic places I might want to look at on the way? And where should I stop for fuel? And you can take these or not. Now, I have to go to a business meeting at the Group, but what are activities I can do after 5 o'clock, and what are places I should see in Fort Collins? Up. And now I have a really nice list. It is really hot in Phoenix. I expect it will be cooler in Albuquerque and in Fort Collins. What kind of things should I take? What clothes should I pack? Hit the up button, and now it can do it. Give you a whole list to pack. So that gives you an example of what you can do to plan a trip. Now let's talk about planning an event. Okay. I have a granddaughter who is going to have a little girl in about 3 months. I would like to plan a shower for her. Can you give me some ideas of a theme for the shower and games that could be played? It's been a long time since I planned a baby shower, so I need some help. Click the check button, click the up button, and now here's some things. Sweet little girl, pink, golden, lavender. Look at all these cute little things for a theme. And now Can you help me plan a menu? And now we have a menu, and you can even ask Chat to keep it in a certain budget. Okay. Drinks. I think I will invite about 20 to 25 people. Can you write an invitation for me in a poem form? Keep it light and playful. There. So you have a couple of choices, and you can have it write a poem for you for an invitation. And you can do that for a holiday invitation, for a class reunion, for a family reunion, etc. Now let's go into a different kind of planning. Now let's talk about you're going to redo your bathroom, a major project. So let's try this. Chat, I'm thinking of redoing my master bath. What are the things that I should consider and get in order? Check. Up. Okay. Now it has your purpose and goals. All right, what are you going to do? Budget? Set your budget, priorities, timeline, all the things that you need to consider when you're planning a home project. Okay? This is Einstein. Start by clarifying your goals, setting a budget, and deciding on your layout. Okay. And now you can go into a step-by-step remodeling plan. And all I have to do is put in, please create a step-by-step remodeling planning worksheet for me. And here we go. Okay, instead of downloading the worksheet, can you give me the worksheet in chat? And now you're on your way. And you can do it for a number of different projects, landscaping or whatever. And now, here's the last one. You can do to organize a to-do list. And say, Chat, I have an awful lot of things to do today. I've got to go grocery shopping. I have to write thank you notes to 3 or 4 people today. I need to plan an agenda for a church meeting. And I need to spend some time with Carl. Can you put these in an order of priorities? There. We'll see what it comes up with. Okay. Thank you, Noise. Metal focus. Okay. And you can put in timelines, what's important, but notice it can help you organize if you're going, I don't know what to do. So anyway, I'm going to stop my share. It's Joanna Conde with AI for Seniors. And Chat has so many wonderful ways that it can help you organize your life, do planning. As I said, there are 10 incredible ways Chat can make your life easier. So this is number 3, and we'll go on to number 4. In the next video, let me check. The next 4 is learn new things and research old. And that is a lot of fun. So anyway, and it's really deep. So thank you for watching. Please watch to the end. See if there are any other videos you might like to watch. And please subscribe. So until next time, it's Joanna Conde with AI for Seniors. Thank you for watching.